Top 15 entrance exams after graduation. Hey everyone! Are you a fresh graduate or about to graduate and wondering what's next? Whether it's higher studies or securing that dream job, entrance exams play a crucial role in shaping your future. In this video, we'll discuss why entrance exams are essential, highlight the top exams to consider, and share some tips to ace them. Let's dive in. Why entrance exams after graduation? Why consider these exams? They provide access to top-tier educational programs like MBA, MTech, or specialized fields, and prestigious government positions like IAS or RBI officers. Whether it's enhancing your knowledge or securing a stable career, entrance exams open doors to countless opportunities. Top academic entrance exams. Let's start with academic entrance exams, perfect for those seeking higher education. 1. CAT, the common admission test for MBA programs at IIMs and top business schools. 2. GATE, graduate aptitude test in engineering for MTech admissions and PSU recruitment. 3. GMAT, graduate management admission test, essential for global MBA programs. 4. CLAT PG, for law graduates aiming for LLM programs. 5. IIFT, the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade exam for MBA in international business. 6. XAT, Xavier aptitude test for management programs at XLRI and other institutes. 7. TISNET, conducted by Tata Institute of Social Sciences for master's programs. 8. MAT, management aptitude test for entry into over 800 business schools. 9. AIMS PG and NEET PG, for postgraduate medical studies. 10. NIFT entrance exam, for careers in fashion and design. 11. JAM, joint admission test for MSc in science-related disciplines. 12. NCHMCT JE, for hospitality management courses. 13. ICAR AIEEA, focused on agricultural studies. 14. ACUSAT, for advanced engineering and management courses. 15. ATMA, for admissions to various MBA, MCA, and PGDM programs. Top government exams. Now, if government jobs are your target, here are the top exams to consider. 1. UPSC Civil Services Exam, for IS, IPS, and other administrative positions. 2. SSC CGL, the Staff Selection Commission's exam for central government roles. 3. Bank PO exams, by IBPS, SBI, and other banks for probationary officer posts. 4. RRB NTPC, for non-technical roles in Indian Railways. 5. NDA and CDS, defense exams for recruitment into the Army, Navy, and Air Force. 6. State PSC exams, for state-level administrative and police roles. 7. LIC AU, for administrative roles in insurance. 8. RBI Grade B and NABARD, for roles in banking and finance regulation. 9. DRDO and ISRO Scientist Engineer exams, for research and technical jobs. 10. EPFO exams, for Social Security Organization jobs. 11. Delhi Police SI and CAPF exams, for law enforcement positions. 12. High Court Assistant exams, for judiciary roles. 13. FSSAI recruitment, for food safety and related roles. 14. Indian Postal Services exams, various roles in the Postal Department. 15. GATE, again scores are also accepted for PSU jobs like BAIL, ONGC, and more. Preparation tips for success. Preparation is the key to success. Here are some tried and tested tips. 1. Understand the syllabus and pattern. Familiarize yourself with topics and exam formats. 2. Create a study schedule. Allocate daily study hours and stick to it. 3. Use quality resources. Opt for the best reviewed books, courses, and apps. 4. Practice mock tests. Evaluate your performance and improve weak areas. 5. Stay updated. General knowledge and current affairs are crucial for most exams. 6. Focus on health. Take breaks, eat well, and exercise to stay mentally fit. Entrance exams after graduation might seem challenging, but remember, hard work, consistency, and determination can make all the difference. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Keep believing in yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career guidance. Good luck, and see you next time.